Hello, my name is Thaipanapong. In this video, I'm gonna present the product of เกษตรแปลงแสน Fair by telling you about cultural products and signs or symbols. In เกษตร Fair, there were many consumer products that were related to culture and symbols. The products in this event are also international, which come from many countries, which can give visitors with special experience. Let's start with the cultural product. The cultural product that I choose is Tangerine orange or Thai mandarin orange. This fruit comes from farm district at Chiang Mai province, and it's also well-known food in Chiang Mai because of their taste that is sweet. The product can be also planted in other provinces, but the taste of this product cannot be imitated. It also represents the cultural of Chiang Mai that people grow their food naturally without using chemicals that harm the people who eat them to promote the fact that their food are free from chemical. And it also made me feel right that food was cultivated in fertile place. The next is sign or symbols. The sign that I choose is the decoration of sushi shop because the decoration of the shop is decorated with items that related to Japanese culture and is showing the intention to sell Japanese products that are as authentic as possible. With this decoration is able to attract every customer attention because of the decoration of Japanese culture. For an example, the Japanese culture that use lamp because it can give the booth look like real Japanese shop. With these things, it can make the atmosphere of the booth look more Japanese and customer may choose the booth than the other. In the end of my presentation, I would like to say that I have learned a lot of culture from Gazette Fair, and I noticed that the culture from Gazette Fair is shown by product and insights. Since the product can reflect the international culture in various ways. Additionally, it made me realize that every culture has their belief and it depends on people's choice.